Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to enable or disable notifications for an app on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is a handy feature that allows you to customize your notification preferences for each app. So let's get started. First, navigate to the home screen and then open the Settings app. In the Settings menu, tap Notifications, then tap App Notifications. A list of apps will load up next. Locate the app that you'd like to adjust notification settings for. Once you found it, simply tap the switch next to the app to enable or disable notifications. Alternatively, you can tap on the desired app and then toggle the Allow Notifications switch on or off. You can also configure the app alert settings to allow sound and vibration or silent them. To show or hide content for lock screen notifications of the app, tap Lock Screen Notifications, then set it to show or hide content. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable or disable notifications for an app on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Remember, customizing your notifications can help you stay organized and focused. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.